So guys, let's talk about stocks naman. It took me some time rin naman to understand all of these different things, yung mga understanding mga stock market, and ang tagal ko na rin naman bumibili konti-konti ng mga stocks. So now, I think I'm more comfortable talking about it. But syempre, ang video na to, gusto ko in the way of how I understand it as well. Yes, this is not financial advice. And remember that, you know, all investment type of product carry risk. So you have to make sure that you do your own research. I would do this vlog because I wanted it to be, na parang these are other options. We already created a vlog here about understanding mutual funds, diba? But on the flip side, you also have your stocks naman here. Gusto ko na parang at least alam nyo kung ano yung mga types of investments that you can start, you can open as well. Because we've talked about it a lot of times and in a lot of videos. And gusto ko yung parang, Jax, o nga no, gusto ko na may explore to. Go! I'm not here to stop you. I'm going to serve you everything on a silver platter na parang, eto guys, so ito yung mga pwede yung explore. Pero hindi ako yung tipong tao na sabihin ko, hindi pa rin dito, dito. No, depende siya sa'yo. Saan mo gusto. Because again, kanya-kanya yan, kanya-kanyang buhay. If you wanna try it out, go! There's nothing wrong. If you're going to remember the previous video ko about your mutual funds, si mutual funds, diba? Money mo, it buys a lot of different stocks depending on whatever fund you're going to buy, or a lot of different bonds, or a lot of different bills, or whatever investment vehicles. And may nagmamanage yun, which is the fund manager. On the flip side naman, sa stocks naman kasi, is like you owning individual shares of a specific company. And when you buy a stock, isang kumpanya lang yon. For example, if I'm going to buy Jollibee, one stock of Jollibee, I own a piece of Jollibee, pero Jollibee lang. If I buy Ayala, Globe, SM, isa lang yan. Diba? We always hear about REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. Guys, yun naman is also stocks. Diba? Nasa stocks yan, hindi siya nasa funds. May funds na REITs, pero if you want buy individual REITs, nandito siya makikita. Nasa stocks siya. Diba yung mga REITs na nakikita natin, yung mga Ayala REITs, SM REITs. Ipag-usapan rin natin yan mamaya. If we're going to look at it, your mutual funds spreads out the risks kasi marami kang binibili iba-iba. Ito, pag bumibili ka, isa lang. So, syempre, mas risky siya. Pero, pag nag-grow to, yung stocks mo, boom, pumalo. Shot, boom talaga. Pero pag nasa fund siya, pag pumalo siya ng bonggang-bongga, medyo magta-temper down ng konti. Because, ang dami mong binili compared to isa lang. Pero pag ito bumagsak ng bonggang-bongga, boom, bagsak ka talagang bonggang-bongga. Ito, pag bumagsak naman ng bonggang-bongga, baka, babagsak lang siya ng medyo middle or konti. Because nga, marami kang iba-ibang binili. Diba? So, that depends on you kung ano yung mas gusto mo as well. The profile will matter. Kung mas risky ka ba, mas gusto mo mas safe na type, mas steady yung mga returns as well. Diba? So, it really depends. It really depends on you. Also, there are some stocks kasi that pays dividend. Ito yung mga tinatawag nilang dividendo. May dividendo to. May ibang funds naman, yes, nagpapay rin ng dividendo. Pero for stocks, mas uso siya dito, mas nanilinig natin, may ito mga dividendo. And matataas usually mga dividendo yung nakikita natin online na, yung REITs, mataas na yung dividendo. Paano ba nagkakadividendo? Usually, in a stock or a company, di ba, kumikita sila ng pera. Now, if they have excess money, diba, na hindi na nila kailangan yan for their operations, etc., mataas yung income nila, then they pay out dividend to the stockholders or the shareholders. Depending on how many stocks or shares you own, times the amount of magkano yung dividend na yan, yun yung makukuha mong dividendo. Diba, I also have a photo here na parang magkano yung mga dividendo na nakukuha ko. If you see it here, guys, puros lahat ng dividendo ko galing sa mga stocks yan, and sa mga shares yan, hindi galing sa mga funds. Konting-konti lang yung galing sa mga funds. Kasi usually, sa stocks mo talaga nakukuha yan. Sa mga REITs, yung mga ganun mo nakukuha yung mga dividendo na yan. If you own a lot of these mga stocks and shares, your dividend can go very, very, very high. Ito nga sinasabi ng mga tao, diba, gusto kong mabuhay sa dividendo na lang. Then that means you have to own so many different stocks para sobrang taas ng dividendo mo, para yun na lang yung gamitin mo para mabuhay pang araw-araw mo. Bongga, diba? Pwede rin yon. In short, sa sobrang dami kong sinabi, diba? Funds, ang ganda nito is when you buy it, when you start it, may disiplina ka, and then you diversify. On the stocks naman, this is direct access, direct exposure, and if you buy a lot, parang pwede ka maging owner ng company kasi may mga voting rights ka na, di ba? So, it's like you being owner of that company talaga. O, di ba? Hindi ka nalang buyer ng company, owner na talaga kung ang dami mo biniling mga stocks or shares noon. So, those are the two almost bigger difference. So, it depends on you. So, now, saan ka ba pwede bumili ng mga stocks? Marami out there. You have Call Financial, BPI Trade, you have G-Stocks, di ba? Gcash, Dragonfly, di ba yung mga yon? Almost all the bigger banks there, meron yan. May mga Abacus rin sa labas niya. So, it depends on you, di ba? Ang daming mga resources out there, guys. Ang daming mga platform. Basta may lisensya yan sa SEC, and then it's also accredited, go with it. I would always recommend go with the bigger ones rather than going with mga maliliit-liit na hindi mo sure. Again, dun tayo lagi sa legit because at the end of the day, guys, pera po yan, pera po natin yan. So, please. So, we're going to use GCash as an example kasi guys, dito at least alam ko na meron din ako as well. Now, if you're going to go to your GCash app, you have the Grow tab here and then you'll see GStocks PH here. Sa GStocks PH mo, guys, for this, ang broker niya is AB Capital Securities. If it is your first time, you definitely have to do the typical process, diba? Importante, number one is my onboarding process yan. May mga KYC yan, getting to know your profile as well. And then, it can take a few days for it to be verified. So, iintayin mo lang siya. So, if ever you're watching it right now, yun yung uunahin mong process. May mga screenshots din naman dito. I can't replicate the screenshots right now. It's because nagawa ko na siya before. But I'm sure I have previous videos na nagawa ko siya na parang step by step. Baka nasa TikTok yan or nasa IG or Facebook. Diba? So, if you're going to click on GStocks PH, I'll click on AB Capital Securities kasi ito lang naman yung broker niyan. And what I'm going to do here, baka nag-iba na yung itsura right now because guys, nag-update na silang itsura. Yung previous na itsura kasi talaga hindi maganda. Pero now, ang ganda nito. Parang natuwa talaga ako dito. So, sabi ko, oh my gosh, ganda. Okay, anyways. Okay. So, now, you see the whole home screen and ang ganda ng home screen. Natutuwa ako, sorry. Kasi dati parang, oh my gosh, ang hirap niya gamitin. Okay, anyways, what you'll see here is your total portfolio value ko muna. So, this is my total portfolio value kung magkano yung total stocks na value na nabili ko na. So, if ever you're starting off, this is usually 0. And then, you'll see here na all-time profit ko. And then, day change ko rin as well. So, magkano yung day-by-day change. All-time profit is from the start of time na pag binili ko yung mga to, magkano yung total profit ko or gains ko, which is 2,017 pesos. Okay. And then, my investment wallet is magkano yung pera na pwede kong gamitin to invest. So, if you don't have money here, ang una mong gagawin definitely is click on cash in. So, sa cash in, you have to cash in your money from your GCash account. So, let's just say I want to cash in 5,000 pesos. I'll click on cash in 5,000 pesos and I'll click on submit and then cash confirmation natin. Okay, galing sa wallet ko siya, 5,000 and then wala siyang fees and then I will receive 5,000 pesos at it. I will click on submit and then para mag-pay ako sa GCash and then I'll click on pay 5,000 pesos. And then successfully na-top up ko na siya. Okay, now I'll see here nag-cash in yan and I'll just click on back. Now, makita ko dito sa aking investment wallet is 5,000 pesos kasi nag-cash in ako. And guys, real time siya as you can see, diba? Real time. You're going to see here, I'll go with explore. Here, you can see kung ano yung mga tipo. Ito yung parang pinadala nila. Magkano yung PSEI natin, Philippine Stock Exchange Index natin. So, tingnan mo, medyo bumaba siya. But again, stock market, it goes high, it goes up, and it goes down then as well. Then here, you can start with Growth Starter, which is like some of their recommended stocks, diba? Like the typical stocks na binibili ng mga taos. SMA, REIT, PPI. Ang kagandahan rin dito, guys, you see, may mga top 30, meaning brands you love. Ano yung mga binibili ng karamihang mga tao as well. Ang pinakamaganda dito is explore it, understand it. Top gains, top dividends, stocks under 1,000 pesos, mid-size company, most active, top losers, o diba, yung mga ganyan. So you can understand it, intindihin mo. I'll just go with one example here. Let's just say I want to go with Ayala Land. So with Ayala Land, ito yung makita ko. Ang current stock price niya is 20 pesos, 0.65 pesos. So parang yun yung parang importante na alam ko, okay, ang stock price niya for today is 20.65. Makita ko rin dito may minimum buy quantity, meaning minimum ko na pwedeng bilhin is 100 shares. Diba? Equivalent to 2,065 pesos. Pinapadali na yan. Nandiyan na nakasulat niya. So, if I want to start buying an Ali stock, ito yung minimum na kailangan kong gastusin, which is 2,000 pesos, 65. Because that's 100 shares at 20.65 pesos. And then dito, makita ko sa graph na to, which I usually love this, looking at graphs like this. Diba? Kasi nakikita ko, okay, magkano yung presyo niya from, let's say, October to November to December. So, nakita ko bumagsak siya. And then, umakyat siya. Now, why bumabagsak yung mga stock? It depends. It depends on the market performance. It depends on, let's say, ano na nangyayari sa mundo. So, there's a lot of different factors affecting your stocks. That's why, di ba, paminsan rin yung iba na, since natakot yung mga tao, nagbebentahan sila. Siyempre, babagsak rin yung stocks niyan, di ba? If naging very bullish naman siya, parang tipong, oh my God, parang alam ko may magandang mangyayari daw dito. So, lahat ng tao bibili. So, siyempre, aakit yung mga stock price niya rin. So, there are a lot of different factors as well. But here in your graph, we can see 1 day, you can see 3 months, you can see 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, makita mo, okay, ito yung mga performance niya. Diba? Right now, medyo mababa talaga siya compared to how it was 2 years ago. Okay. And then you can scroll it on the other side para makita mo rin siya total mo. Diba? Para makita mo yung mga stock prices niya rin as well. So, that's how you look for a stock that you want to buy. Now, let's just say I want to increase my stock. So, to sabay-sabay tayo, bibili tayo. Perfect timing. Pag-usapan natin yung mga REITs as well. I can just click on search and I will type on REIT. So, if you're gonna see here, dito mo malalaman yung mga REIT. REITs kasi, guys, diba? Ang REITs mo is Real Estate Investment Trust. Meaning, parang bumibili ka ng property, but wala siya yung sakit ng ulo of finding a lessor, managing that property, magpapaupa ka pa, magmamanage ka nito, magmanage ka niyan. So parang, think of it REITs na ang kagandahan dito is parang bumili ka ng real estate, but may nagmamanage, which is yung kumpanya na yan. Kung Ayala REIT yan, si Ayala nagmamanage. And then, kumikita ka pa ng dividendo kasi syempre, nagpapaupa sila, kumikita sila ng pera. And then, mandated sa law natin sa Pilipinas na kailangan mo magbigay ng dividendo. Kaya nga, di ba nakita yung mga table ko to of dividends here. Oh, di ba? Kasi nga, bumibili ako ng REITs. Now, there are so many different REITs here. You have A-REIT, Citycore, Double Dragon, Philinvest, M-REIT, and Premier Island Power REIT. Let's just go with A-REIT first. For A-REIT naman, guys, this is Ayala REITs mo to. And then, ang price niya ngayon is 43 pesos. Minimum is 100 shares. And equivalent is 4,300 pesos. Kasi nga, di ba, 43 times 100 equals 4,300 pesos. Now, if I've decided na gusto ko mag-invest sa Ayala REIT, I believe in Ayala company. I love this. I love their properties yan naman. So yes, I will buy it. And we're gonna buy. Minimum ka kasi, set limit price mo, meaning magkano yung limit na bibilhin mo yung stocks na yan. Kung 43 yan, 43 na nilagay ko dito. And then quantity, kailangan I'll add 100. Kasi 100 lang pwede, pero pwede kang dumagdag. Meaning nun, pagbili mo, it's per 100. So, gusto ko 100 lang, I'll buy 100. Okay. And then, makita ko dito, total niyan is 4,312.69 and the total available cash ko is 5,285.71. So, pasok. I will just click on preview order kasi gusto ko siyang bilhin. Okay, I'll buy A-REIT at 43 pesos, buying 100 at 43 pesos. Total is 4,312.69 pesos. And then, if ever, bakit siya 4,312.69? The 12.69 is the fees using their platform. Diba? Syempre may mga fees rin yan. Ito po yun. Kaya parang nakita nyo, just bakit yun siya? Kasi may fees involved rin siya. And click on submit order and then successfully bought na siya. And I will now wait till it gets purchased. Because guys, katulad rin naman siya ng kahit ano, if you see the market here, naka-recess siya, it will only push through or mabibili lang siya pagbukas ng market. So, ang market natin sa Pilipinas, it depends. Diba? Usually Mondays to Fridays yan, but also pag minsan holiday, hindi siya open. So, yun yung kailangan lang natin i-watch out for. To note, some trading hours and expectations mo. Remember that the PSE natin in the Philippines trades ng Mondays to Fridays, 9:30 a.m. to 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock to 2:45 p.m. only. Diba? Orders expire if not much within the day. If ever you bought after the market, it usually pushes to the next market day naman siya. But for example, gabi ka ngayon nagbibili, pushes to the next. Now, do note that stocks are volatile, meaning it can go up, it can go down. Diba? Kaya minsan, yung mindset mo dapat, you have to really plan everything, diba? Invest consistently and then do not panic. Diba? Kasi nga, tataas baba talaga siya. Hindi mo matatime yung market. Kahit so many people have tried to time the market, but always the studies and the research will show na hindi nila natatime. Kaya kahit na si Warren Buffett, nagkakaroon ng mga competition with the best ng mga stockbrokers, panalo pa rin si Warren Buffett. It's because, again, you cannot time the market. Through time, laging nananalo consistently si Warren Buffett. Diba? There's that research that shows that. Hanapin natin and ilalagay natin siya dito. Kaya, time in the market will always be timing the market. Now, think of stocks investment as you owning a part of a company in the Philippines, being and pushing yourself, being part of the Philippine economy as well. I know that a lot of us might want to go invest in different countries and different stocks outside. Depends on you rin naman siya. But ako, I personally still have investment in the Philippines. It's because, number one, I personally believe that I am Filipino. I need to invest in the country where I am, kung saan ako pinanganak, kung saan ako nabubuhay, and the country that I love. Sometimes, yes, nakakainis yung mga nakikita natin, yung mga balita. It is. Yeah, I know. Sometimes mahirap mahalin ang bansa. Agree. But, diba, if we don't do it ourselves, who would love the country? Dayuhan? Imposible, di ba? Tayo talaga yan. Tayo as Filipinos. And this is like your own way of like investing and owning Filipino companies. Because kapwa Pilipino for kapwa Filipino. Kapwa Pilipino investing in companies for the Filipinos as well. Ganun talaga. We have to also invest in our own country. Ang kagandahan rin nito, I want, of course, since we've already bought our first stock, I want to also show with you yung total portfolio ko rin as well. And bubuksan ko talaga sa inyo. Do note that this is not my only portfolio. I do have others. So, guys, baka sabihin nyo, hindi ka naman consistent. Meron ako dun sa kabila, mas consistent yun. So, when I click on view stats ko dito sa portfolio ko, makikita ko dito, okay, kamusta yung aking portfolio growth, di ba? In the past month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. Diba? Sabihin lang natin 6 months tayo. If you're gonna look at the portfolio growth, diba? Medyo steady pero at least may growth pa rin siya. And then profit growth ko naman, makita nyo, tinan mo here ha, may bumagsak siya dito noong November 14, 15, 16. It was because syempre the market was good pero papalo naman siya, nag-increase siya naman siya. Okay, anyways, going back. If we're gonna scroll it down here, stock value ko nasa 26,855.45 pesos. So plus 7.54% growth siya. Unrealized profit ko naman is 1,883.65 plus 7.54% naman siya. And then I also have available cash ko, which is 973 pesos, which is part of the portfolio rin, which is konti lang naman siya, di ba? And then, total kinash in ko was 29,972.21. So, imagine that. If you wanna look at it lang, di ba? In total cash in mo, compared to how much your total portfolio is, that's roughly around almost 2,000 plus pesos growth. Di ba? 2,000 pesos na kita ko. Not bad, di ba? For me buying mga stocks ko. And that's how you're going to see na, okay, yes, it might not be where I want it to be. Parang mas maganda yung performance value ng funds ko. But it is what it is. Kasi the market, and maybe the time when I bought some of those stocks, medyo mataas. So, hindi ko talaga siya matime. But, at the very least, guys, may profit pa rin naman siya dito. That's why, again, it really depends on you. Saan mo gusto, saan ka mas comfortable as well. If you're going to ask me, Jax, ikaw ba, saan mas marami pera mo? To be honest, mas marami pera ko sa funds. I personally love to invest in funds. Again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. I personally like funds because I like the boring. Boring works for me. I do have a lot of stocks rin naman siya. Wala lang. Gusto ko rin from time to time, mag-invest rin naman ko. But super ako more funds. Ganun siya. Kasi I want the risk to be spread out. Diba? Kahit aggressive ako, but I want spread out risk as well. So yun, sharing that to you, my portfolio. Alam niyo naman, binubuksan ko lahat yan. Okay, guys. So remember, when you want to buy your first stocks, guys, importante, number 1, do your own research. Make sure na iniintindi mo talaga siya. I hope this video was able to help you. Maraming mga other stocks that you can check. Intindihin nyo muna yan. Maraming other platforms and outside there. It's not only GCash. Very similar itong magiging process rin naman. Iba lang yung itsura ng mga apps na nandyan sa labas. Number 2, make sure that your money for investment is your investment money. Hindi siya yung savings mo. Hindi rin siya yung para sa emergency fund mo. Dapat hiwalay siya. And number 3, invest in stocks that you trust, that you believe for the long run. It's always about you being in the market, not timing the market kung kailan siya down. Make sure that you trust in it, you believe in those products as well. Number 4, consistency is key. Make sure that when you invest, you remain consistent. Kahit pa konti yan, it has to be consistent. Set reminders. Track it as well. Importante na nandyan yan. Diba? Huwag niyong kakalimutan yan. And number 5, syempre, guys, huwag magpapanik kung bumagsak ang market. Again, the market, it is what it is. It can go up, it can go down. Relax, di ba? Maraming others there kasi nagsabi, hala, ano nangyari? Ganyan, pangit na yung market, ganyan, beta na yan. Like ako, I don't sell. I've never sold any of my stocks because I believe in the company. So parang for me, in the long term, kahit tumanda ako, I believe nandiyan pa rin yung kumpanya na yan. That's why I have that trust in that company when I buy it. Di ba? Hindi ako makikinig masyado on kung ano mga sinasabi-sabi ng mga yan. And of course, last but not least, before we go, may pinaka-bonus rin dito, guys. Don't forget, track nyo rin as well. If you're going to see the Kaskasan Buddies mobile app, you can definitely track all of your growth, yung mga investment growth mo rin here. Nandito na rin po siya sa my money portion mo. You can add your account here, and then nandito po siya sa iyong investment type. You can add your investment para makita mo yung mga growth ng investments mo as well. So, libre po siya. I-track nyo yan. Siyempre, kailangan maintindihan rin nyo yan. Kahit maraming mga platforms ka mag-i-invest, make sure that you track it pa rin. You need to know magkano yung portfolio value mo. From time to time, every month. That is also setting your money day, understanding understanding magkano yung pera mo, saan napupunta yung pera mo, and kumusta naman ang overall money mo and your personal goal as well. So guys, I hope naging makabuluhan tong video na to. I hope na naging madali yung pag-intindi ko. Alam ko baka sabihin, Jax, medyo nahirapan ako. Don't worry. It will take time for you to understand it. If you need to rewatch it, rewatch it. If you have any questions, comment it down below as well para masagot naman natin. And if you've reached this part of the video, guys, I would want to give 3 people naman to buy your first stocks. And syempre, I will give 1,000 pesos for those 3 winners. So guys, tigo 1,000 kayo to buy your first stock. Pero kailangan ko malaman kung what type of investor are you? Aggressive ka ba? Are you moderate? Are you more of the moderate aggressive? And if ever you're gonna buy your first stock, ano yung first stock that you're going to buy? And of course, I will announce a winner 2 weeks from the launch of this video. And then, mag-comment ako sa comment mo. So, kailangan abangan mo yan. And then, syempre, i-Gcash ko lang sa inyo para mas madali. But you can just start it with Gcash. This is by no means sponsored by Gcash. Ginagamit ko lang siya as an example kasi it's the easiest that I have right now. And it's easiest for everyone to have because you already have it via your Gcash. Diba? Puros lahat may Gcash na eh. So, dyan ko siya dinalagay. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin. And of course, guys, your support means a lot to me. And guys, let me know if talaga makubuluhan yung mga videos na ganito. I want to know para I know how I can shoot more and adjust. And alam kong past lunch na, pero inuna ko talaga to para sa inyo. Ganun, ng pag-guilty, char. Hindi naman. It's a conscious effort because I really wanted naman talaga to do this as well. Alam kong it will be helpful because I know that lahat tayo kaya. Imagine if every Filipino will start investing. Guys, iba talaga yung magiging future natin and iba talaga yung potential growth and the stability that every Filipino would have. Diba? Imagine if you're just wala kang magawa, you invest. If bored ka, you have extra money, invest mo. Think of the potential growth that you're going to have in the future. Your future self will really thank you. Maraming salamat. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye, guys!